Dear student, today we will study CAM pathway, that is Cressulaean acid metabolism pathway. So now this is another way of fixing up the carbon dioxide in the plant that belongs to especially Crassulaceae family or Cactaceae. The plant belongs to the family succulent, and the other plants such as cacti, pineapple also carry out the CAM pathway. So although those plant which grows in the arid, you can say, or hot regions, they all follow this cycle, and usually this is associated with conservation of water in the plant. So if you look at the adaptations in CAM plant, the plant usually grow in arid region where water availability is less. So during day, the stomata are closed and open during the night. So usually if you compare them with the C3 plant, the stomata are open during the daytime to take up the carbon dioxide and then start the photosynthesis, whereas over here the stomata are open during night but closed during the day. So let's see how the carbon fixation occurs. Now, during the day, stomata closed, carbon dioxide acids are released from vacuole and carbon dioxide enters the Calvin cycle. But during the night, what happened? Stomata open, carbon dioxide enter the leaf, and carbon dioxide is converted into some organic acid, and this acid is stored in the vacuole of mesophyll cell, and then during the day from the mesophyll cell the carbon dioxide is formed back and it enters the Calvin cycle. So when the water availability is less, the plant can efficiently perform photosynthesis using CAM pathway. Okay. Now if you look at this, this is the CAM pathway, and you can see during the day and during the night. So we will start from here. During the night, stomata are open, the carbon dioxide enters and it forms carbonic acid, which is converted into bicarbonate ions. These bicarbonate ions are used to convert phosphoenol pyruvate to oxaloacetate and oxaloacetate to malate. Reducing powers are used up over here. Again, they are the one which are produced during the photosynthesis during the light reaction. Here you can see their structure of oxaloacetate, 4 carbon, malate, 4 carbon. Then malate is stored in the vacuole during the night, and then during the day. Now the malate is converted into pyruvate. So malate is 4 carbon, pyruvate is 3 carbon, 1 carbon is lost. This enters the Calvin cycle, and pyruvate is converted into PEP, that is phosphoenol pyruvate, which goes and produces the glucose or sucrose or fructans, any other sugar which is stored. Okay. So what is the difference between C4 and CAM plants? C4 pathway occur in mesophyll cell and bundle sheath, whereas CAM it occurs in mesophyll cell. C4 plants, the stomata are open during day and close at night, where it is the opposite in case of CAM. And usually the C4 is operated in tropical plant, whereas the CAM it is operated in succulent plant, and it is associated with the you can say conservation of water with low you can say amount of water also the plant is able to do photosynthesis, whereas this is to minimize the photorespiration. Now what is the similarity between the two? Both C4 and CAM plant have tendency to fix extra carbon dioxide in unfavorable condition. C4 fixes up in high light intensity and low carbon dioxide condition, whereas CAM fixes up in low water condition. So this is all about CAM pathway.